So in this Google Docs tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to view the word count of a document here in Google Docs. So once you're into to your Google Docs account, first thing you have to do is obviously type in some words. So let's just say I want to go to the bottom right and press on the type button. I'm going to go ahead and say this is my example. I can't even spell right now. Example of my document, whatever the case is, period. Now once that is done, if you want to check the word count, go to the top right and press on the three little dots that are horizontal. Then go to where it says word count right here. So about 5 options down, 6 options down, go ahead and press on word count. Then where it says word count right here, it has 7 words, 34 characters, and 28 characters, excluding spaces. So pretty simple, and just how you guys can check the word count of a word count, or that doesn't even make any sense, the word count of a document here on Google Docs. I hope this video helped. Thanks again for watching.